Our Master Gunners, we've got something special planned for you today. What could it be? It's an unboxing video. I'm going to use the knife to unbox some awesome CreateZA merch, stickers, and put you in touch with the place where you can get merch if you're a South African creator or anyone who wants to get merch. We've got pens and stickers and t-shirts, and I haven't even gotten to everything yet. I was halfway through ripping this thing open and thought, this might make a good unboxing video. By the way, do not play with sharp objects at home. Just do not do that. Sharp objects must be handled by mature people who aren't going to be doing crazy things with them. I'm using it for the sake of unboxing and as a prop, just a heads up. Cool. So, without further ado, let's start off with this bag over here. This one is from Durban and a gent called Preshan, or from Glali Media Productions. Whenever you cut something, by the way, cut away from yourself. I have got one scar to show you that that is why I learned that lesson. In fact, if you want to see that scar, it is, which hand was it on? Must have been here. You see there? I don't know if you can see. There's a scar along here somewhere. Where is this boy? It's there. You see that? That was because I was busy unboxing something for my sister once. It's not actually a box, it was a packet of hot glue, and we were busy making a concoction like kids do. And over here we've got a bunch of CreateZA key rings. So I'm just gonna pull this one over here, open it up, and just give you a look-see at what we're dealing with. Here we have the individual packets. These things go for really cheap. I think for 25 Rand or less, you can hook up Prashan or his contact. I will ask him for links and where you can get in touch. But look at that beautiful keyring over there. Stunning stuff, eh? Really cool, really cool. On both sides, nogal. Hey, I remember our last batch was just on one side, so this is very cool indeed. Now, let's take a sip of tea before we continue. I'm wearing this t-shirt, I'm sorry it's creased. I wasn't planning to shoot this video until I started unboxing the stuff earlier and thought this is way too much. This actually deserves an unboxing. So, from over in Bloemfontein, we've got this one box. It came with stickers on it already, and I haven't opened this yet, so that the things were kind of pretty still when I opened it for you. So we've got a bunch of, I believe these are sticker packs of some sort. Let's take a look. I'm assuming these are replicated, so I'm not going to open each and every one of them. Oh, but there's this. Okay, so we've got this smaller one on the outside. Let's take a look, see over here. Okay, here we have CreateZA square stickers, and because of how much light there is behind you, you can barely see, but yeah, it's silver, and there you have a bunch of CreateZA stickers. Boom, boom, boom. I just want to say the guy who did this for me, Ben Claessens, aka the Urban Adventurer, he's got a link to his channel. I'm going to drop it down there. This is just to say thank you. I was not even expecting this. One thing, these people are calling me and saying, yo, are you ready for delivery? To pick up your delivery, and I was still in Durban that time, so I asked him to come again on Thursday, which is today, and oh, so much stickers. Here we have more stickers. You see, this is more like a CreateZA mountain, and if you put the logo that way, CreateZA at the bottom over there, you just, which way is the right way of our logo? I think it's this way. It needs to make a play button. From my angle, this looks like a play button, but if this video is gonna flip, then it's this way. Because sometimes when you record on selfie cam, that's what it does. Okay, so we've got loads of these. In fact, here are 3 rolls of them. This is what I've been interested to see. You know, what is this? It looks like, it looks like a little canvas, which I'm going to, what can one do with this? Like, have people sign it, put it on your desk, hang it on the wall. This is actually pretty dope. I've never ever gotten something like this before. Yo man, all this branding guys, all of this stuff. Let me just take this out and give it a feel. Quality. Look at that. This is cool. This is better than a YouTube play button. This is super cool. Thank you Ben. This is dope soap. Oh my goodness. Hey, Hey, I was not even expecting that. Okay, cool. Okay, so we carry on over here. We carry on and we see, okay, there's another 3 rolls of those. I'm not going to open them all up. I'm just going to put this aside for now and open up. Oh, over here we have, what does that look like? Pens. We've got pens. Let's take a look at one of these pens. CreateZA pens. Okay, I see he got pens and he stuck CreateZA stickers on it. Looks pretty dope. There we have a CreateZA pen. Oh, thumbnail. I always forget to take my thumbnails, so I'm just trying to be intentional about getting some good screenshotable sections right now. Then we've got, okay, these ones are the mother of keychains. Like, yeah, if you don't notice this, there must be something wrong with your eyesight, because this is reflective. It'll catch your eyesight and it will say, hey, look at me, I am a huge keychain. I'm thinking of practical uses for this. Very dedicated to people who want to just flash something to flash off. That's this one over here. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you very much. This is awesome. Okay, let's see what else is in this beautiful box. We've got more rolls. So these are stickers. Let's see what kind of stickers we have exactly over here. We have, this looks like a nice thick roll. Bum, bum, bum. This is like rolls of money, man. Oh, these are the cool ones. These are the ones that go on the back of your car. Oh man, I'm just so excited right now. Okay, I think we might be able to give some of these things away as giveaways at our CreateZA events. So stay tuned for those. We've still got a couple of them coming up around the country. Yeah, we've done Pretoria, Bloem, which we'll probably... We've done Pretoria, Potch, and Durban, and we're probably going to go back to Potch to have another bigger workshop, because the venue there was just like, yo, guys, come back, have a bigger one. Do it over a few days. You can even stay over here. So that's cool. That's awesome. And I think we're coming to the last 2 rolls of these. Okay. What? Oh, this is the gents channel. This is the one that needs a shout out. I think I recognize these pictures. Yes. The Urban Adventurer. Focus on that. Come on now, camera. You can do it. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. This is his channel's logo. So that is super cool. Thank you. Hey, I'm not sure if these were meant for me. I'll send this video to you. Just let me know, because I don't want you to be disconnected with your own branding. Okay, cool. We get to some YouTube branding stickers over here. Let's take a look. See. Dun. YouTube. Oh, these are just proper YouTube stickers. Proper big YouTube stickers. And then we've got the YouTube play buttons over here. YouTube. We're just rolling, guys. We're just rolling. That's what's happening here. And then even the square YouTube play buttons. This is too dope. This is going to have to be used well. We're going to have to think of the best ways to use this and where to put it. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. My laptop is one. My car is another one. My stuff. Their equipment, these things, the giveaways at the events, guys, this is just too much for me, literally. And then, yeah, we've gone through that one, let's see, cool, over to the next box. I believe we have covered everything in here. Okay. Okay. This one seems quite interesting. It was completely wrapped up in duct tape, and what goes in here? Long. It's long. And let's see. Let's wrap this up. Oop, there's a sticker. I spotted it. I done spot it. Cool. Okay, we take off the next layer. Oh, bubble wrap. Then some cling wrap. Then some more bubble wrap. And then a hard brown case. And then, I don't want to break this thing. I don't want to damage it. Okay, we're getting to the epicenter, if I can call it that. Correct me. Open. I'm such a hasty opener. You know, normal people would actually just jump cut and open this thing nicely. But even me, when I'm not jump cutting, you know, hey, I want to do things quickly. Okay, we're in the middle. In the middle, Cyril. Here we go. What do you say, sir? What do you say? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that, man. I can barely put it in the frame. I almost thought it smelled like it was freshly printed. Look at that. That is hectic. Hey, that's hectic. Nice, guys. Nice. Thank you very much, very, very much. And then lastly, let me just wrap up by saying, look at this t-shirt, guys. Look at this t-shirt. This is the CreateZA personalized merch you can get if you're a tier 2 member. This correlates to our website. So if you scan that barcode, it'll show you my profile on CreateZA saying, cool, this is my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok. These are samples of my content, and this is a little bit about me, people I've collaborated with, and so on. For if you want to pitch someone a collab or a brand proposal, maybe you need your business card on you, but you don't have it. This is your online business card. Even on the back of here, it's got our slogan. It says, by creators, for creators, or the other way around. So that's cool. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video. Like if you want to see more unboxing videos, or if you think that this merch was cool, or what other kind of merch you would want to see have at the workshops. As a creator, what kind of merch do you want? These stickers are great because you can stick them on your phone covers. You can stick them on your car. You can stick them on your laptop, on your pens, all the places, all of the different sizes, man. That's cool. I believe I got everything. Yep. So, yeah, are we okay? Everything seems fine. I'll just finish the vlog like this. There we are, the CreateZA merch. These are for the tier 2 members, and they will be getting some of this. All of them with their own names. Jasmine. You know what? Am I gonna go through these names now? Cool. So, I'm sure you didn't expect that for an ending. If you did, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, and nothing here is damaged. Don't worry. Cool. Peace. Until next time, also gonna.